Well, today we're going to be making a video of the Poulan Pro with 46 cc's, and yeah, let's check out some serial number and stuff on it. See if you can read this. I gotta zoom out a little bit. Check it out on this side. You read that? I guess it might have been made in 2002. There's everything right there. 46 cc's, 2 PWES dot 0464 CY, and there's the serial number, I think. Yeah. Yep, so I'm going to fire it up for you guys. Show you what it does. Just wait a minute. There you go. So now I'll show you carburetor and stuff. Gotta undo these screws right here. I'll undo these screws and I'll show you the carburetor. So here's the carburetor. I don't know what kind of carburetor it is. Can't really see anything in there. I don't know what it's called, and I don't know. I don't feel like taking off the little cover right here. Little cover right here. I don't feel like taking that off. So yeah, there it is. And if anybody knows if anything is wrong with it, because when I use it, when I put it on full throttle, it starts to kind of just lose its power, and when you cut like a big log, kind of wants to stall, and then you got to take the saw out of the log and give it full throttle. Then you got to put it back in the log. So yeah, if anybody knows how to fix these, that'll be good for me to know. So yeah, I don't know what the carburetor is called though. What does that say? No, that's nothing. Okay, so thanks for listening.